In the modest neighbourhood of Little Haiti, the atmosphere is completely different.
Hey, put it on the shop, man.
Vagabond avec gros âme.
That's how it is, man, you know. Walking inside the voodoo shop, you already know.
I can be Sue, I can be Dude, but guess what, pussy nigga? I ain't fool.
To survive out here is that this gang got so much bullshit and fake fuck niggas. It's frustrating, dog. And you know, to be a real nigga, you really will slap these niggas.
I already know nobody's that stupid or that slow or that uneducated not to know who the hell is Toussaint Louverture.
Hey, son, man, the flag is very important, man. We done sweat, fight, head cut, shot.
I did my time in the 80s, nigga. I got my ass whooped for a few of y'all motherfuckers out there. Y'all motherfuckers better represent that shit and respect what it is, nigga. So fast. Now come back. That's enough. That's the Wednesday, just the Wednesday.
Hey, it's the beat down, don't get beat down, homie.
Buffalo soldier, led by Dessalines, the greatest army on the scene.